Here's how to make the Adventure Kings portable gas hot water system even better by pairing it with other Adventure Kings products. Plus, when you buy it in a money-saving bundle, not only will you get more use out of it, you'll save even more than if you were buying each item individually. A bit of privacy goes hand in hand with a shower, and we've got a couple of options to suit here. First is the incredible Adventure Kings Instant Ensuite Awning Shower Tent. This clever bit of gear looks and transports like a regular side awning when it's packed away. It then opens up on an internal pivoting frame system to reveal a four-sided waterproof shower tent that measures 1 metre by 1 metre. You simply unfold it and peg down the 4 straps, and in under a minute you've got the perfect privacy tent. There's even a hook and loop strap to hang your shower head, plus internal pockets for all of your toiletries. Looking for a shower tent that you can set up away from your vehicle? Our Butte Freestanding shower tent is the solution. It uses a simple external pole system and waterproof material to create a huge privacy tent that measures 1.2 metres by 1.2 metres at the base and extends 2.2 metres high. It comes with an attachable protective base, giving you somewhere clean to stand while you shower or get changed. You even get a zippered window for those times when you want to take in the view. To keep plenty of water on hand to feed into the portable gas hot water shower, grab yourself one of these Kings Collapsible 10-litre buckets. They're tough, lightweight and able to withstand anything up to boiling water, so they're perfect as a water supply for the shower. You can even recirculate the hot water out of the shower back into the bucket until it reaches the maximum 50-degree limit, perfect for hot water to wash the dishes. And if you want the ultimate in luxury while you're camping, you can't go past the Kings 20-litre portable camping toilet. It's perfect inside either shower tent to really add a bit of comfort to any campsite. The portable gas hot water system fits perfectly in the Kings heavy-duty 80-litre PVC duffel bag and is a fantastic storage and transport option. Another fantastic storage solution are the Adventure Kings storage boxes, available in 78 litres shown here, or 156 litres for even more storage space. Remember our motto here at Adventure Kings, bundle and save. When you grab this gear in a money-saving bundle, you'll save even more compared to buying each item individually. Plus, you'll have an absolutely incredible camp setup too.